Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Updates. Today, we are diving into the dynamic world of defense stocks and taking a closer look at a company that's been making waves in recent times, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders. With geopolitical tensions on the rise, the Indian government has been pushing hard for self-reliance in defense. This has fueled a surge in the defense sector, and Mazagon Dock has emerged as a standout performer. Over the past 3 years, their stock has skyrocketed, reaching a 52-week high at the end of December 2023. The Indian government's initiatives to reduce arms imports and boost domestic defense production have been a major driver of Mazagon Dock's success. They've successfully secured several large orders from the Ministry of Defense, including contracts for P-15B destroyers and P-17A stealth frigates. Mazagon Dock is not just riding the wave of government spending, they're also demonstrating strong financial performance. Their ROE have both seen significant increases in recent years, indicating efficient capital utilization and rising profitability. As of the first quarter of 2023-24, Mazagon Dock boasts a healthy order book of over 39,117 crore rupees. This includes major projects like the construction of destroyers, frigates, and submarines. But Mazagon Dock isn't resting on its laurels. They're actively pursuing technological advancements, collaborating with international clients, and venturing into new product categories. Recent orders from ONGC and a European client for multipurpose vessels showcase their expanding global footprint. They're also looking beyond traditional shipbuilding, aiming to develop underwater equipment, marine platforms, and offshore platforms. This diversification will help them reduce reliance on government contracts and mitigate risks. Furthermore, Mazagon Dock is ramping up its ship repair activities, targeting both warships and commercial vessels. This strategic move will not only generate additional revenue but also attract a wider client base. Despite the positive outlook, Mazagon Dock faces some challenges. The long production cycles and reliance on government contracts can pose liquidity risks. Diversification into other business areas like ship repair will be crucial to address these challenges. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders is a well-positioned player in India's growing defense sector. Their strong financial performance, strategic initiatives, and focus on technological advancements make them a compelling investment prospect. While challenges remain, Mazagon Dock's commitment to self-reliance and diversification positions them for continued growth and success. So, is Mazagon Dock a buy, hold, or sell? That's for you to decide, based on your own risk tolerance and investment goals. But one thing's for sure, Mazagon Dock is a company worth keeping an eye on in the exciting world of defense stocks. Do you think Mazagon Dock is a good investment? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful stock analyses.